This video shows how to buy shares of Loihde Oyj, a Finnish technology and media services company trading on CBOE EU under the ticker LOIHDE.HE. This content is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I will use eToro as the example platform to demonstrate the steps. After registration, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds to be able to place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker LOIHDE.HE to find the correct listing. Confirm the exchange shows CBOE EU so you have located the right stock. Open the Loihde stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Check the company description and ticker once more to confirm this is the asset you intend to buy. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details before confirming the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at next market opening, and if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it confirms the trade. After the order executes, you will see the new position appear in your portfolio. If you want to visit the platform, a link to eToro is available in the video description.